Good morning to everyone. Our next chapter is subtraction. Subtraction. Our running chapter name is subtraction. We have finished some problems for 66. Today we are going to solve some more problems from textbook. That is page number 66. We finished from A to J. We finished problem from A to J. Now we are going to solve problem K. Say problem 37 minus 15. 37 minus 15, it means 15 subtracting from 37. Now we write place values 1, 10. First subtracting on 1. Subtracting on 1. The digits from one place are 7 and 5. The digits are in one place 7 and 5. It means 7 minus 5. 5 is subtracting from 7. Actually, 5 is a smaller than 7. 5 is a small number. 7 is big number. Subtraction means we take small number from big number. We take small number from big number. 7 means draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7, we remove or we cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the 7 lines, we cut 5 lines. After cutting 5 lines from 7 lines, there are 1, 2 lines. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. This answer write in one place. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now, subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. The digits are from 10th place 3 and 1. It means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 1 is subtracting from 3. 1 is subtracting from 3. Here 1 is smaller number than 3. Subtraction means we take a small number from bigger number. 3 means draw 3 lines here. 1, 2, 3. From 3 lines we remove only 1 line. After removing 1 line there are 1, 2 lines. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This answer to write in 10th place. 10th place. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 37 minus 15 is equal to 22. 15 subtracting from 37, we get 22. This is the answer for K. Now L. Problem L. 49 minus 4. 49 minus 4. -4, we write place values 1 and 10. Now subtracting on 1. In one place, the digits are 9 and 4. It means 9 minus 4. 4 is smaller number than 9. Subtraction means we take a number, means small number, from bigger number. Here 9 means 9 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we remove 4 lines from 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. After removing 4 lines from 9 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Answer is 5. This answer right in one place. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Next, subtracting on 10. In 10, only one digit is there, that is 4. Here, there is no number. No number means we assume that 0, no problem. 4 minus, there is no number, we take 0. Actually, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Otherwise, we can write the number directly. 4 minus half, there is no number. We should write same number here only. 4. 49 minus 4 is equal to 45. This is the answer for L. Now, problem M. 58 minus 5. 58 minus 10. 58 minus 10. It means we have to subtract 10 from 58. We have to subtract 10 from 58. Now we write that place values 1 and 10. The digits are in one place. First we subtract on 1. The digits are in one place, 8 and 0. Means 0 is subtracting from 8. 0 subtracting for any number, we get that same number again. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. This answer 8, write in one place. Very 8. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. 5 minus 1. The digits are in 10th place. 5 and 1. 5 minus 1. It means 5 subtracting from, 1 is subtracting from 5. Yeah, 1 is smaller number, 5 is bigger number. Subtraction means we subtract a number, a small number from bigger number. This is called subtraction. Here 5. 5 means draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 we remove only one line. After removing one line from 5 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This answer 4 right in 10th place. Why? These digits are from 10th place. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Answer is 48. Now, problem is N. Problem is N. Seventy-nine minus 69. 79 minus 69. Write place values 1 and 10. Here 69 is subtracting from 79. 69, this number is smaller than 79. First we do subtraction on 1. 1. The digits are one place, 9 and 9. 9 minus 9. Subtraction of same numbers or subtraction of same digits, we get 0. 9 minus 9 equals 0. This answer 0 right in one place. This digit 9 belongs to one place. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Next, 10. 10. Subtracting on 10. In 10th place, the digits are 7 and 6. 7 and 6. 7 minus 6. From 7, we remove 6, or 6 is subtraction for 7. That 6 is a smaller number than 7. Subtraction means a small number taken from bigger number. Here 7 means, draw 7 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we remove 6 lines. From 7 lines we remove 6 lines. 4, 5, 6. After removing 6 lines from 7 lines, the answer is 1. This answer 1, write in tens place. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 79 minus 69 equal to 10. From 79, 69 is subtracting, we get 10. This is the answer for question number N. Now, the last question, O. Yes, last question, O. 39 minus 3. 39 minus 3 means 3 is subtracting from 39. 3 is subtracting from 39. Now write the place values 1 and 10. Now subtracting on 1. 9 minus 3. This digits 9 and 3 from 1's place. If now we have to subtracting 3 from 9. 3 is a smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. Subtraction means a smaller number take from big number. 9 means draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 we remove 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. After removing 3 lines from 9 lines, the remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. This answer 6 waiting in 1's place. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. 3. Actually, there is no number here. Empty. No number. We get same number again. 3. Directly write 3. No problem here. 3. 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. This is the answer for O. Next question. Question 3. Subtract the numbers given. Subtract the numbers given. Subtract the numbers given. Now question number here, first of all we see that example. Example 54 minus 31. 54 minus 31. Actually, it's called row method. Row method. This is called row method. In this subtraction, first we write the place value for given number 1, 10, 1, 10. Now subtracting on 1. Now subtracting on 1. The digits are in one place. First, we see the numbers from left to right. 4 and 1. 4 minus 1. It means 1 is subtracting from 4. Draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 lines, we cut only 1 line. After cutting 1 line, there are 3 lines. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This answer write in 1. 1 and 10. Next, subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. The digits are in tens place. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Means 3 is subtracting from 5. 3 is a smaller number than 5. Then we can do subtraction. Subtraction means we take a small number from bigger number. This is subtraction. 5 minus 3. Draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the 5 lines, we remove only 3 lines, or we cut 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. After cutting 3 lines from 5 lines, the remaining lines are 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is the answer belongs to 10. Writing in 10th place. 54 minus 31 is equal to 23. 54 minus 31 is equal to 23. This is the question example. Now, next question is A. A question. 35 minus 23. 35 minus 23. Right. The value is 110. 110. In the answer, we also require that place value is 1 times 10. First, we see what are the digits in 1st place and 10th place. The digits 3 and 5 is 2 digits from 1st place. Page number 56. Question number 3. A. 35 minus 23. 35 minus 23. First add the place values. Again write here 1 and 10. First is subtracting 1. The digits from 1st place. The digits from 1st place are 5 and 3. It means 5 minus 3. 3 is subtracting from 5. 3 is subtracting from 5. 3 is a small number, 5 is a bigger number. Subtraction means a small number take from big number. We take a small number from big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 lines, we remove or we cut 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. We cut 3 lines from 5 lines. After there are 2 lines. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This also writing place. Next. Now subtracting on 10. The digits are in tens place. 3 and 2. 3 and 2 means 3 minus 2. From 3, we subtract 2 or we subtract 2. We subtract 2 from 3. 3 lines 1, 2, 3. From 3 lines, we remove only 2 lines 1, 2. After removing 2 lines, there is only 1 line. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This answer 1 right in tens place. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 12. 35 minus 23 is equal to 12. Now question B. 65 minus 24. 65 minus 24. It means 24 subtracting from 65. First we read the place values 1, 10, 10. Again we look at the place values 1 and 10 in our answer, coming answer. Now subtracting on 1. The digits of one place, the digits from one place 5 and 4 means we remove or we subtract 4 from 5. Take 5 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 we remove or we cut 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4. After removing 4 lines from 5 lines, there is only 1 line. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. This answer 1 writing in one place. Now subtracting on 10. The digits are from 10th place 6 and 2. 6 and 2 means 6 minus 2. 2 subtracting from 6. 2 subtracting from 6. Here, from 6 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 6, we remove 2 or we cut 2 lines. 1, 2. After cutting 2 lines from 6 lines, remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 41. Answer is 41. 65 minus 24 is equal to 41. This is the answer for B. Now, question C. 76 minus 30. 76 minus 30. 76 minus 30. 1, 10, 1, 10. Now subtracting on 1. Here also we look at 1, 10 and 1. First subtraction on 1. The digit from one's place 6 and 0. 6 and 0 means 6 minus
subtracting from
a number is subtracting from 6. 0 is subtracting from 6. We get same number 6. 0 subtracted from any number, we get any number. 6 minus 0, 6. Its answer 6 in one place. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. The digit from 10th place, 7 and 3. 7 and 3 means 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Here 3 subtracting from 7. 3 is a smaller number than 7. Subtraction means a small number take from bigger number. We subtract small number from bigger number. 7 minus 3. Draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we remove 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 3. Remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. This answer 4 adding in 10th place. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Third number is 46. 76 minus 30 is equal to 46. 76 minus 30 is equal to 46. Now, question D. Question D. 49 minus 5. 49 minus 5. 49 minus 5. Now, write the place value. 1, 10. Only 1. 49 minus 5. Here write 1 and 10 for that answer. First we subtract on 1. After we subtract on 10. The digits are in one place. 9, 5. 9, 5. 9, 5 means 9 minus 5. 5 is subtracting from 9. 5 is a smaller than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 we remove only 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After removing 5 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. This 4, this answer writing in one place. Now subtracting on 10. From the 10th place, from both numbers, the digit only 4, and in second number, here there is no digit from 10. 4 minus, actually empty. In the place, we put 0, no problem. Right, we should write 4. 4 only. Means 49 minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 should write directly here, 4. Answer is 44. 49 minus 5. 49 minus 5 is equal to 44. This is the answer for D. Now E1. E1. $75 minus 15. 75 minus 15. It means 15 subtracting from 75. Now we write that place value 1, 10. 1, 10. So that answer we write 1 and 10. Now subtracting on 1. The digit from one place 5 and 5. 5 minus 5. Subtraction of same numbers, we get 0. 5 minus 5, 0. This answer 0 right in one place. Now subtraction on 10. The digit from 10th place from both numbers 7 and 1. 7 and 1. It means 7 minus 1. 1 is subtracting from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we remove 1. After removing one line or after cutting one line from 7 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. This answer 6 right in 10th place. "75 minus 15 is equal to 60. 75 minus 15 is equal to 60. Okay, children. Today we solved problems from page number 66. We have finished question number 2, and here also there are 2 problems are there in question number 3. We try these 2 problems under homework. After my class, I will send worksheet along through our school app. Dear students, today onwards, I will send worksheet for every lesson from first lesson. For every lesson, I will send one worksheet. We have to solve this worksheet in your classwork or in your homework. Compulsory you have to do practice what I send worksheet through our school app. Please do practice well. Okay, since compulsory write classwork from our running class. What I am teaching on our digital board, you should write in classwork. Please mention classwork. Weekly once, I will send one worksheet, or for every lesson, I will send one worksheet. From worksheet, you have to write question along with answer in your running notes. Do practice very well. This is a problem. Today we have finished from page number 66. Okay, children, goodbye to everyone. In our next class, we will meet some new problem. Bye, children.